partnered with Rolec because over the last 12 months, we have noticed a huge change in their development. They are now extremely forward-thinking. Their products are really easy to install and also really comprehensive for the needs of our clients. We feel that Rolec have changed, developed and really listened to their clients, us as installers, and working in a fantastic collaboration with lots of people out there. It's something we really wanted to be part of. So it's very exciting for us to be working with Rolec now. We've already installed numerous amounts of different products and it enhances what we can offer to our clients. Greenio like to offer something that is different, something that is bespoke to that client, which isn't always possible. However, with having a huge range of products available, we seem to be able to master that.
Anna and the team here at Greenio care about sustainability, becoming green, and they're really invested in ensuring that their staff are fully qualified and physically invested with the customer journey. This was one of the main reasons we felt that we had to partner with Greenio and the team here. With vast experience within the whole sustainable markets, with a full turnkey solution, they was a partner we just couldn't let slip.